Hello guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. Don't forget about the icon, like and subscribe, and if you can, try to get a broadcast and comment some things. I don't know how to get to the comments usually. So, y'all haven't very much commented, but some other guys do. I have seen one guy, it was a luck thing. It just depends each video, and I can't go through all of my videos that easily to go through each comment. So if you can, you could try to get me on broadcast. Well, what song should I put? Turn Me Up, Bat Fangs by Bat Fangs. YouTube, I gave you the songwriter. I give you the song. Walk the Moon. Headphones. Woo! I think. Ooh. Woohoo! Oh, her turn! Come on, let's see if we can hit that jump. Haha. Woo! Oh man, that was a great jump. Ooh, let's rewind and get a little bit better at that one. If you guys are wondering who haven't been watching my broadcasts, well, hey. It is because I have tuned this vehicle up a lot. And I did it today, so. If you ask what car it is, you should guess by the yellow, it's the XP Falcon. Woohoo! Oh, we have reached to a currency of 1 million, so I'm gonna let y'all know that. Woo-hoo. I made a new friend on here as well. That broadcast got cut down after I was eating dinner. So, there's that. And then, well, I ran into a group. And it wasn't the kind of group that just wanted you there. They wanted you because you were good and their group team for the festival time zone's actions. Woo! Ooh, there you go. Okay, ready? None of this is actually staged, except for a few parts. Actually, first time staging something. I never stage a lot, or at all. Woo! Yeah, me down here, bottom. Me down. You gotta admit, this car is pretty good. I have upgraded every skill. Woo! Ah, let's rewind. Let's get a better little drive on. Motorsport is way different, so I'm just talking. Come on, there's not that much there. Actually, we have enough time to do a drag race. Down bottom. Okay, we got a little crush time here. Let's move. Slow down right here. Boys. Yes, I am a girl.